Hello, and welcome back to another video. I will be preparing drops today. Traditionally in Jamaica, we have peanut drops, but I'll be making almond drops, and it's a very easy recipe. I'm gonna walk you through the process. So we have almond, sugar, cinnamon stick, vanilla, ginger of course, and water. As always, I will link the ingredients in the description box below. Okay, so join me as I show you how this gets started. So we are gonna go in with our cup of water, 2 cups, 2.5 cups of water, and have this come to a boil. So we're gonna wait for this to come to a boil. So the water is now at a boil, and we're gonna have this on medium heat. I'm gonna go in with the ginger. This is 3 tablespoons of ginger, and the cinnamon. I'm gonna let this simmer until it's very aromatic, and then we're gonna add the sugar as well as the almond and let that reduce down for about 50 minutes, and then we're gonna place it in our mold here. You can use banana leaf, place it on banana leaf on a pan or foil paper and let it cool for 30 minutes, but I'm gonna use a mold here. So that's smelling real nice already. So now we're gonna go in with the sugar as well as the almond. So this is gonna go on for 50 minutes. What we want is for it to reduce down in a candy form. So while that's going on, we're gonna clean up the kitchen. So this is the thing we're gonna add last. We're gonna add the vanilla last. So we're having a nice reduction here. It's not like syrupy yet, but when we're there, I will let you know it's still watery. We want it to be thick and everything combined together. But the good thing is that it smells delicious. We are checking in. I had removed the cinnamon stick. I'm waiting for it to reduce down some more with less liquid in it. So we're gonna continue with this process. Let's look at this beauty. We're almost there. We have a long way to go. A very long way to go. This is time, patience, and love here. When we're almost finished, then we're gonna add the vanilla. So we have a long way to go. Hey, it's a part of the process. Let's check on this. We are almost there. We are almost there. Ooh, we're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. I'm gonna go ahead and add the vanilla and then place it in this, and I have to move fast. So I have a little secret. I'm gonna add tahini on it, half and half, but I have to move real fast here. So I'm gonna go in with the vanilla. Ooh, smells so good. And then I'm gonna go off with the flame. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Then we're gonna sprinkle some tahini. And there we have the peanut brittle. I will let you see what it looks like at the end. So like it, share it with a friend, and leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. See you in the next video. Have a great day.